Did you know Taylor Swift's private jet creates more pollution in 1 year than 1,000 regular people make in their entire lives? While you're hunting for cheap flights and planning vacations around airline sales, she took over 170 flights last year alone. That's basically flying every other day. Her jet burns through enough fuel in 12 months to power your car for literally centuries. When being rich means the planet pays the price, maybe it's time we talk about the real cost of celebrity convenience.